Do you want to change Amazon wake word on your Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change wake word from Echo Show device. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap on Settings, select Device Options. Scroll down to Wake Word. Select your preferred wake word. Method 2. Change wake word from Alexa app. Make sure the Alexa app is installed and connected to your Amazon account. Open the app and tap on the Devices tab. Select the Echo device. From the device settings, scroll down to wake word and select your preferred option. After changing the wake word, it might take a few minutes to take effect. If it doesn't change after a couple of minutes, try unplugging the device and plugging it back in to speed up the process. And there you have it, the method to change wake word on your Amazon Echo Show device. We hope the methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.